Namaste and welcome my soul circle, and today's class is going to be a morning routine which every yoga practitioner should follow, even if you're a beginner, intermediate or advanced. Alright, so let's begin. Keeping your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and bringing both the foot together. Interlock your fingers around your toes, back straight, and flap your knees. Inhale from the nose, exhale from the mouth. Breathe in from the nose, exhale from the mouth. Breathe in. You can lift your knees higher to increase the intensity. Breathe in and relax there. Now, slowly start walking forward using your palms on the floor. Relax the neck, staying down. Staying down for 5. Breathe out from the mouth. 4, 3, 2, and release. Breathe in and slowly walk back. Hug your knees there. Back straight. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. And release. Now, simply sitting with cross leg. Here, the heel, both the heels will be in alignment. Keep your spine straight. Taking your left hand on your right knee and right hand in line with your spine and twist. Look over your right shoulder, staying there for 5. Breathe in. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release that. Change the hand. Right palm to the left knee. Inhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Come back. Moving on to the next stretch. One of the best stretch in yogasanas, downward facing dog. So, palms are shoulder width apart, spread your fingers, feet are shoulder width apart, tuck your toes in and stretch. Push from your palms, press your heels, lock your knees, breathe in, exhale, breathe in for 7, 6, observe the stretch at the back of your legs, 5, on your shoulders, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release them. Drop your knees. You can sit on your heels. Knees are apart and go into the child's pose. Face on one side or forehead on the ground. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in deeper. And relax. Come back. Now, keeping your palms there, lie down on your stomach. Feet are apart. Inhale and stretch up to the cobra pose. Chin higher. Make sure your shoulders are back. Staying there for 5, 4, 3, stretch, 2, and release. Come down, face on either side. Breathing in deeper. Exhale. Exhale. Coming up for the second round. This is very good for your spine. So palms are right underneath the shoulders. You can give a little gap for variation. Spread the fingers and inhale, rise up. Getting a nice stretch in your stomach, on your neck. Tighten your hips. Breathe in for 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Come down. You can lie down on your back. Now we work on strengthening the spine a little with Setu Bandhasana or bridge pose. Bend your knees, keep your heels closer to the hip, feet are shoulder width apart, and palms are either around the heels. If you can reach your ankle, you can hold your ankle, but it's not necessary. So palms there, back straight, inhale, lift up, staying up for 5 seconds. Breathe. And exhale, come back. Hug your knees and roll from side to side. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Now, bringing your legs straight. The final stretch, the twist, final twist, keeping your hands open, wide apart. Right foot on your left thigh and drop your knee to the opposite side. Use your opposite palm to press the knee down. Chin can be straight towards the ceiling. Other arm can be open. Now because of the wall, I am bending my elbow. Inhale. This is the stretch you should wake up with, the twist you should wake up with. Your lower back, your stomach, internal organs, everything is getting twisted nicely. Breathe in. Exhale. Breathe. Exhale. And change the sides. Just 5 to 10 seconds or 15 seconds at the max. Inhale, putting the foot on the thigh above the knee and use the palm to press the knee down. Open this arm. It's okay if the shoulder is lifting up too much. Breathe in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And slowly breathe in, come back. Now after this, you can all go to the world's best posture. Shake your toes, Shavasana. Feet are apart. Shake your toes, let your toes drop in the opposite direction. Palms can be either on the navel or little apart from your body, facing towards the ceiling. Move your chin from side to side. Let it naturally fall on either side or stay in the center. With your eyes closed, relax your shoulders, and you can stay in Shavasana for 1 minute to 10 minutes, 20 minutes as per your time available. Now turn your body towards your right side, take support, come up and sit up. I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick stretching, twisting for the entire body for the morning routine. So thank you. Take care. Namaste.